Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube tips and tricks. YouTube is becoming more interesting platform, releasing different features every now and then. There are a lot of features here, but what if I told you that this work for you like a magic, most especially if you run out of video idea. You can use an inbuilt tools in YouTube right now, which is Gemini, to ask for different video ideas for your next video on your YouTube channel. Let me show you how to use it. The very first thing you want to do, I'm going to go ahead and open up a video right here on my YouTube channel, on Studio right here. Now, if you get to your Studio right here, this feature here is now available on Windows PC and on the Mac. You can use this all for free, okay? Now, how can you use these tools here to get more video ideas for your next upload? For instance, you will upload a video right here, just come down below right here, click on Get Suggestion, or better still, you can come to the top right here, click on this Ask Studio right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Suggestions right here. And this window here is going to pump up right here. Okay. Now, what I want to do here is that I need video idea. So go ahead and click on New Video Idea. All right, so right here, you have the results right here. Okay, now action-oriented transfer, and then it's going to give you a possible thumbnail that you can use for that particular video. Then you have about different options right here. Okay, just like what you see right here. Okay, now this idea we are choosing based on your audience interest in Chinese app verification and Android system optimization. Which of these topics do you feel most excited to explore? So I would prefer the Android system optimization right here. So I'm going to simply highlight and copy. Then I will paste right here. Can you please give more video idea about this? Then I'm going to put a quote, right? And I'll send to Gemini. Then here you go. So you can see this is going to give you different optimization right here. And then store background goes up, clean your Android RAM and all that. So give you how to deep clean Android system cache without deleting photo. These are different ideas that you can get from this particular options right here. Now, one great thing about this is that you can use your best performing video to do this idea generation as far as this is concerned. So I'm going to close this tab right here and we'll come back to our studio right here. Then right here, you can go on and use this particular method right here to get different kind of